Hello students, I am Dr. Anita Pandey from Shri Shankaracharya Mahavidyalaya Jinwani. Today our lecture is today my lecture is on e-billing. What is e-billing? E-way billing. Meaning of e-way billing. E-way bill is an electronic document generated on the common portal evidencing movement of goods consignment value more than rupees 50,000. Remember it, the consignment the value should be more than rupees 50,000. Detail entered in email e-way bill GSTIN of supplier and recipients, place of dispatch, place of delivery, date of dispatch, description of goods, value of goods, HSN code, and reason for transportation. So, the name of transporter and vehicle number is also necessary for e-way bill. Let's define e-way bill. E-way bill stands for electronic way bill. E-way bill, it is a compliance mechanism wherein by way of a digital interface the person causing movement of goods, the concerned transporter uploads the relevant information prior to the commencement of movement and generates e-way bill on the portal. So, let's see what is the purpose of e-way bill. Actually, e-way bill is a mechanism to ensure that goods being transported complying with the GST law and is an effective tool to track movement of goods and check tax evasion. What are the significance of e-way bill? The intimation regarding transportation regarding transport of goods to the GST authorities is not achieved by mere issuance of an invoice under section 31. E-declaration of goods before their movement is an effective way of keeping track of movement of goods. Remember, e-declaration of goods before their movement is an effective way of keeping track of movement of goods. Second is, EWB helps to create a trail of movement which can be verified later to determine taxability of supply of concerned goods, and use of EWB limits any possibility of fictitious transactions between recorded or included at the later date. So, I think you all understand what is e-billing. More about e-way bill. The common portal for furnishing e-way bill is www.ewaybillgst.government.gov.in. Modes of generation of e-way bill. First one is the common portal for e-way bill, and the portal is www.ewaybillgst.gov.in. Second is using SMS based facilities. Third, mobile applications through Android app. Site to site integration made available by GSP. GSP stands for Goods and Services Tax Suvidha Provider. So, how the e-way bill generated? For site-to-site integration, the APIs of the e-way bill system have to be used for integrating the system. Second is, for using SMS facility, a person has to register the mobile number through which he wants to generate e-way bill on the e-way bill system. And third is, for using Android app, the taxpayer has to register the IMEI number of the mobile through which he wants to generate the e-way bill on the e-way billing system. So, thank you.